Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic I forgot. How to say I forgot in Arabic language. And as we usually do, we take an example first. I forgot my keys at home. I forgot my keys at home. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say نسيت مفاتيحي بالبيت. نسيت مفاتيحي بالبيت. نسيت I forgot مفاتيحي my keys بالبيت at home. نسيت مفاتيحي بالبيت. نسيت مفاتيحي بالبيت. I forgot my keys at home. So I forgot means نسيت. نسيت. And it can be followed نسيت by a noun اسم only, or can be نسيت أن, okay, and it's followed by فعل مضارع present tense. نسيت أن, if نسيت أن, so it will be followed by فعل مضارع. If نسيت only, so it will be followed by a noun. So for example, I forgot to close the window. I forgot to close the window. So first we put نسيت أن. نسيت أن. Close the window. أغلق الشباك. نسيت أن أغلق الشباك. أغلق close the window الشباك. نسيت أن أغلق الشباك. Or I forgot to bring my coat. I forgot to bring my coat. So first we put نسيت أن. نسيت أن. Okay, bring my coat. أن أحضر معطفي. نسيت أن أحضر معطفي. أحضر bring my coat معطفي. نسيت أن أحضر معطفي. Or I forgot the password. I forgot the password. So first we put نسيت only. Okay, نسيت only. And the password كلمة المرور. نسيت كلمة المرور. كلمة المرور the password. نسيت كلمة المرور. So I forgot means نسيت. نسيت it can be followed by only a noun اسم, or if it's نسيت and, so it will be followed by فعل مضارع. And that's the end of our lesson today, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'd be really grateful for this. And if you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you, inshallah. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.